Have you ever been mesmerized by the soothing flow of a lava lamp and wondered how it's made? In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to show you the intricate production process of these unique decorative items. Lava lamps have been popular since the 1960s, and their popularity continues to grow today. But have you ever thought about what goes into making one? From the materials used to the production process, quality control, design, and sustainability efforts, we'll cover it all. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of lava lamp manufacturing. To make a lava lamp, you'll need three main components: a glass bottle, wax, and liquid. The glass bottle is usually made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which is heat-resistant and can withstand the high temperatures needed for the lamp to work effectively. The wax used in lava lamps is typically a mixture of paraffin wax and microcrystalline wax. This combination creates a dense, blob-like shape that rises and falls in the lamp. Different colors can be achieved by adding different pigments to the wax mixture. The liquid used in lava lamps is usually a blend of water and a special solution that contains various chemicals. This solution is responsible for the unique, lava-like flow of the lamp. The chemicals used can vary, but often include sodium or potassium salts, and sometimes even antifreeze. It's important to use high-quality materials in the production of lava lamps to ensure a safe and effective product. Poor quality materials can lead to safety hazards, such as glass breakage or leakage of the liquid and wax mixture. Additionally, lower quality materials may not produce the desired lava flow effect or may not last as long. In the next section, we'll dive into the intricate production process of lava lamps to show you how these materials are used to create the mesmerizing effect we all know and love. The production process of lava lamps is a highly intricate and precise operation that involves several steps. Here's a breakdown of how it's done. Step 1. Glass blowing. The first step in making a lava lamp is creating the glass bottle. The glass is heated and shaped into a cylindrical form, then blown into the classic shape of a lava lamp. The glass bottle is then cooled and inspected for any defects or imperfections. Step 2. Filling the bottle. The next step is to fill the bottle with the liquid and wax mixture. The bottle is heated to a specific temperature and the wax is melted and added to the bottle. The liquid solution is then added to the bottle and the mixture is stirred to ensure an even distribution. Step 3. Adding pigments. If the lamp is intended to have a specific color, pigments are added to the wax mixture before it is added to the bottle. The pigments are carefully measured to ensure the desired shade is achieved. Step 4. Sealing the bottle. Once the mixture has been added to the bottle is sealed with a cap. The cap is screwed on tightly to ensure that the liquid and wax mixture doesn't leak or spill. Step 5. Testing and quality control. Before the lamp can be packaged and shipped, it undergoes rigorous testing and quality control measures. The lamp is checked for any defects, such as leaks or bubbles in the wax. It's also checked to ensure that the wax and liquid mixture creates the desired lava flow effect. Step 6. Packaging and shipping. Once the lamp has passed quality control measures, it's packaged and shipped to its final destination. The lamps are often packaged with foam or bubble wrap to prevent any damage during transportation. The production process of lava lamps requires a lot of precision and attention to detail. Each step must be carefully executed to ensure a high-quality final product. For example, the temperature at which the wax and liquid mixture is added to the bottle must be just right to create the desired flow effect. Additionally, the lamp must be sealed tightly to prevent leaks, which can be dangerous. There are several machines and equipment used in the production process of lava lamps. The heating equipment used to melt the wax and liquid must be carefully calibrated to ensure the right temperature is achieved. The bottles are often filled using specialized equipment that can measure the exact amount of wax and liquid needed. Overall, the production process of lava lamps is a complex and detailed operation that requires skilled workers and specialized equipment. The result is a mesmerizing decorative item that has captivated people for generations. In the next section, we'll discuss the quality control measures in place to ensure that each lava lamp is safe and effective. Quality control is an essential part of the lava lamp manufacturing process. Each lamp undergoes several quality control measures before it's shipped to its final destination. The lamps are checked for any defects, such as leaks or bubbles in the wax, and to ensure that the lava flow effect is working properly. Additionally, lava lamp manufacturers must adhere to strict safety standards to ensure that the lamps are safe for consumers to use. The materials used in the production process must be high quality and safe, and the lamps must be free of any potential hazards, such as glass breakage or leakage of the wax and liquid mixture. Manufacturers often use specialized equipment to test the safety and efficacy of each lamp. For example, lamps are often subjected to various temperature conditions to ensure that they can withstand extreme temperatures without breaking or leaking. In addition to safety measures, manufacturers also implement sustainability efforts to reduce waste and environmental impact. Many manufacturers use recycled materials in the production process and implement energy-efficient measures to reduce their carbon footprint. Overall, quality control measures play a crucial role in ensuring that each lava lamp is safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. Manufacturers must adhere to strict safety and sustainability standards to ensure that their products meet the highest quality standards and provide consumers with a high-quality decorative item that they can enjoy for years to come. One of the most appealing aspects of lava lamps is their unique and eye-catching design. The classic lava lamp consists of a glass bottle filled with a liquid and wax mixture that creates a mesmerizing lava flow effect. However, there are many variations of the classic design, and manufacturers continue to experiment with new and innovative designs. Some lava lamps feature unique shapes and sizes, such as triangular or square-shaped bottles, while others have a more minimalist design. Some manufacturers even offer customizable lava lamps that allow consumers to choose the color of the wax and liquid and the design of the bottle. In recent years, manufacturers have also incorporated new technologies into their lava lamps. For example, some lamps feature LED lighting, which allows for a wider range of colors and effects. Other lamps have Bluetooth capabilities, which allow consumers to connect their lamps to their phones and control the lighting and lava flow effects. Manufacturers are also experimenting with different materials to create new and exciting designs. Some lamps feature a metallic finish, while others have a frosted or textured glass design. Some manufacturers are even incorporating natural materials, such as wood or stone, into their designs to create a more rustic or natural look. The design of a lava lamp can have a significant impact on its overall aesthetic appeal. A unique and innovative design can make a lava lamp stand out and become a conversation piece in any room. Manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with lava lamp design, and consumers can expect to see new and exciting designs in the future. In addition to the design of the lava lamp itself, manufacturers also offer a wide range of accessories to enhance the look and functionality of the lamp. For example, some lamps come with stands or bases that allow them to be displayed in a variety of ways. Other lamps come with remote controls that allow for easy adjustment of the lighting and lava flow effects. Overall, the design of a lava lamp is an important aspect of its appeal. Manufacturers continue to experiment with new materials, technologies, and shapes to create unique and innovative designs that capture the imagination and enhance the decor of any room. In conclusion, lava lamps are not only fascinating to watch, but also involve a complex production process that requires skilled craftsmanship and quality control. The design of lava lamps is constantly evolving, with manufacturers experimenting with new materials, technologies, and shapes. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, manufacturers are also taking steps to reduce their environmental impact and provide more sustainable options. Lava lamps are not just a fun, decorative item, but a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. With their unique design and mesmerizing lava flow effect, lava lamps are sure to remain a popular item for many years to come.